So, good morning. It's a new day, new week. It's like it's a Monday. Yesterday I tried to recording video, but it was a late night, and I tried to find a good place to telling. I was there in front there, and on the left side, and tried to record, but the fucking mosquito tried to interrupt me while while recording the video. So I'll be like, nah, bro, I'm not good. I'm not gonna do it, bro, because the mosquito tried to take my blood, but and I don't want to take my free blood because it's cold. But yeah, I want to tell you a story from yesterday. Yesterday, I'm with my mom. With my mom, I we went to Haarlem, city in Netherlands, and also yesterday for me, I don't really train much because on Saturday, I know on Friday I had a pull-ups day, pull-up weighted pull-ups, and Saturday is my rest day, and Sunday I need to train, but I didn't train because I want to spend time with my mom. So yesterday is Sunday. I spend time with my mom. I go to Haarlem, and we just go around, go around watching news, new place, and it's really fun. But also, that I just know that there's a lot of place that I never have been, and it's so nice. It's so nice, so mysterious something. And of course, if for me, I don't I don't really, how do you say, I don't really try to I mean, let's say again, for me myself, I'm really sticking to my diet. We will really try to eat healthy as much as possible. But yesterday I was with my mom, and I'm gonna honest with you that I was cheating yesterday. And what do I cheating? I just eat some ice cream and some bagel. Uh, some bagel. I don't know how you say that. I don't know how to explain what is bagel. I never see bagel before. Bagel, it's just like a circle bread, right? You can say this another version of donuts, but this is a little bit harder. It's just like a real bread. And what else? What do I cheating? Just like more ice cream, bagel, and ice cream. Usually I'm just eat ice cream there. Of course, I'm, oh yeah, I drink some soda, liquid soda, I guess. Normally, I'm just always, always drink water, okay? Always drink water. But yesterday, I'm with my mom, and I really want to enjoy, spend time, the quality time with my mom, so that she can feel like I'm really present I'm really present with she, so that she can feel the happiness inside of her. So so um I'm gonna cheat a little bit cheat, okay, a little bit cheat, but not too much. But yeah, and I don't know why. I don't know why, but when I cheating, mo yesterday I cheating, I was eating ice cream, right? I take like uh, two ball and a little bit for my mom because the left that she cannot eat all, so I took also for my mom, and I just eat it. Of course, it's really instant dopamine. So I eat my brain, right? My brain was like, "Whoa, shit, so good," you know. I feel sad doesn't smell how it smell, but so good. But after eating ice cream, my mood, right? My mood, I don't feel like brain fog or tired. But late night in the afternoon, I go to a small baker, small small cafe. Oh yeah, small cafe. It's not a restaurant. I won't say restaurant, but a small cafe where I bought the bagel. I think I'm gonna make some video here, some photo here of bagel. It's like donut, but and I go there. I order a bagel, and you know what? Eating that was so good. It smell. It have some variation of the bagel. So I choose something with cinnamon, but okay, the food it was there waiting there. Later come the Uber there also. She gave me the bagel and I was like, shit, that look good. I eat with a knife and fork. I don't know how to say, but yeah, eating that it was so good, so crunchy way like a bread. Uh, So it was delicious. But after I'm eating that, I feeling my mood, right? My brain immediately, immediately brain fog. I feel immediately fatigue, tiredness, and so on. And yeah, my body, I feel my body for tiredness. And I just want to say, that I'm usually eating only meat, honey, dairy, and some food, right? So my diet is about animal-based diet, but so I eliminate the the whole grain, the grain, the thing, right? So, but yesterday was a day that I want to enjoying the time with my mom. So I try to eat thing that maybe not my body is the maybe my body is allergy for. So, but I want to enjoy time with her. So yeah. After eat the bagel, right? I just say again, I feel my 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 mental is feel tired living immediately, and I got some allergy for the I got here inch. I don't know if you see. I got here here inches immediately. I mean, yesterday I didn't saw that. I didn't saw that, but late at night, afternoon, evening, in the evening, I look in the mirror and I see what the hell is this? What the hell is this? It's fucking inches, and I know for a fact that I am uh, I am gluten allergic for. So I am always say gluten tolerance. Yeah, gluten tolerance. Yeah. I I I I, I know immediately that it's not gonna good after that. But after I eating bagel, right, I go to a Vietnamese restaurant. I go there. I eat some Vietnamese food and I take some. Also take another ice cream, another ice cream. But this is a yeah, it's already cheat day, so just do it. Take another ice cream. But you know what? Those ice cream is a simple cup, right? It's simple cup, and for some reason, for some reason, I don't feel tired when I eat ice cream. My mental don't feel tired. Of course, maybe now I'm talking to you like my brain is like 20% discrete of the sugar from the ice cream yesterday, but you understand my point. And I don't feel tired from eating ice cream. I don't feel tired immediately. And so it is. But and I want to say to you, the reason why I say this is because in your normal day, right? If you do fitness in normal day, of course you're gonna try. You got no not try. You're gonna you're gonna try to eat healthy as much as possible and always consistency on your healthy habits and your habit, healthy habits, yeah, good habit. I mean good habit. So also consistency on lifting weight and consistency go sleep and eating healthy. But I feel also that for also you need to you need to spend time with your parent, just like my mom spend time with she. Even though you might be you can cheating with while you with mom or you don't need it. You can just say I don't want to eat this. I just want to focus on my diet. So say that you can say that to your parent. That's why you spend time with her, she or he. So I'm just want to enjoy time with my mom. So I don't want to think much about my diet. I'm just want to enjoy time with she. So that's have fun day with she. So for the diet, you know, if you all be social, right? You all be social with another person. Just open it, don't close. Just have some cheat day. Look, not always, okay? If daily, normal day, no cheat day, no cheat day, no thing. Straight. So only be social with another people. You can do a little bit of cheat, but it's not gonna pay much of it, cost some of it. But you understand my point. Right now, I'm finished. I'm just finished my story. What do you think about it? And I'm gonna I'm gonna do some warming up with my vocal image and also kinda ready to do some push day today. No leg day. Later on I'm gonna do some push day. I'm gonna do some weighted lift, bro. I'm gonna carry the boat, bro. Watch me out, bro. And yeah, I'm gonna say one thing. Also don't cope, okay? Don't cope and say that, you know, I'm just eat healthy. Just sitting today and next time I want you to. Don't cope and try to eat a lot of junk food, okay? I know some of you gonna try to cope and say, man, okay, if I'm so sure I'm gonna be eat a lot of junk food. No, bro, no. You cheat why you cheat, but in control, okay? In the control, not you cheat and you explode it. No, 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 no. Watch out, bro. Watch out, bro.